Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the rear loudspeakers on BMW 5 Series E39. I'm talking about the rear loudspeakers behind the seats. In order to get access to the loudspeakers, first we need to remove the upper and the lower part of the rear seat. So first we start by removing the headrests. Next, we're going to remove this light and disconnect it from the electrical connector, and then remove this panel. Afterwards, do the same on the other side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove these plastic covers. We're going to be using a plastic pry tool so that we don't damage any plastic. Next, we're going to remove the lower part of the seat. We just need to pull it out like this. Just pull it hard. I need to unlock and then do the same on the other side. Next, we need to remove the upper part of the back seat. There is two bolts holding it. One is right there, which in my case is missing, and on the other side also. After removing the bolts, we just need to pull up the seat, remove the seat belts, and just take it out. Next, we're going to remove this metal plate that's over there. You see what I'm removing. It's held by 4 bolts. I need to remove that. Next, I'm going to remove the 4 plastic clips that hold this cover. I'm going to remove them, and then I can remove the whole cover. I'm removing also the covers for the loudspeakers. And now this big cover is free, so I'm just going to pull it out. Now that the cover is removed, I have access to the loudspeakers. The loudspeakers are held by two Phillips head screws and also one electrical connector. And that's one of the loudspeakers removed. Next I'm going to remove the other loudspeaker. And that's the other loudspeaker removed. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.